This machine is suitable for filling 0.8D15D high fiber cotton. Fleece and cotton 10 to 80 mm in length. Elastic latex granules. High elasticity sponge granules. Feathers, cashmere, wool, and related mixtures. It is suitable for producing down comforters, outdoor sleeping bags, and other thermal insulation products. It is suitable for producing thermal insulation products in countries with very low winter temperatures. A Russian customer tested the machine and gave it high praise for its operation.